The next Equipment India Award for the bestseller in compaction equipment goes to Case India, inviting Mr. Binwant Singh Puri, Brand and Marketing Communication Head, CNH Industrial India, to receive the award. Congratulations, and requesting a few words from you.
Thank you so much. Thanks Equipment India and the eminent jury for selecting us for this honor. And yes, we have been at the forefront of the compaction segment for years, and we continue to strive to do better and continue our leadership in this and maybe even in more segments to come. Thank you so much.
Congratulations once again.